Most of us struggle with retaining what we learn. Notes get lost, ideas scatter, and our minds get overwhelmed. But what if there was a smarter way to capture, organize, and actually use your knowledge every day? Introducing Mem, a revolutionary app designed to simplify how you think, learn, and grow. Mem isn't just a note taking app, it's your digital memory, a tool that adapts to you. Whether you are brainstorming, planning your day, or revisiting an old idea, Mem keeps everything at your fingertips. With Mem, you never have to worry about folders. It organizes your notes automatically by creating smart tags and connections. Let's say you jot down a meeting idea or save a link. Mem's AI understands context and groups it intuitively. Ever waste time hunting for something? Not with Mem. Its search is lighting first. And you can find any note, idea, or reminder in seconds, even if you're barely remembering what it was about. Unlike traditional apps, Meme keeps your notes dynamic. That means they adapt over time as you revisit them. Forgot a detail? Meme surface is just when you need it. Whether you are at your desk or your phone or switching between devices, Meme is always with you. It is seamless and synced with your ideas that travel with you. Meme integrates with tools you already use like Gmail, Slack, and Google Calendar. Turn emails into action items or link meeting notes automatically. One of the coolest features, Mem lets you use how you see your ideas evolve. It's like having a timeline of your thought process, helping you reflect and improve. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Mem isn't just an app. It's a smarter way to think, plan, and grow. Try Mem today and transform how you work with your mind. If you like it and find it helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe.